All right, Eureka. I was finally able to figure out the damn Bedini circuit. Oh my god, it was driving me crazy. I did it off of this one, but I actually got help from Skycollector looking at his circuit. It turns out I was building the circuits fine, I just wasn't hooking them up correctly. And I think the neon bulb I have is no good. Yeah, so the neon bulb I have, I think it's rated for too high because I'm not getting any back EMF spikes. But yeah, finally got it working. What a nightmare. Oh my god. The thing that really messes me up is these connections here. When it's going from the start of the trigger coil and then branching off, and then, I mean, you would think it's not that freaking hard, but it's working. Finally. And it's not overheating. The coil is nice and cool. Looks like a spaghetti mess, but now that I know that it works, I can clean it up. Ah, thank God. It's been driving me crazy. And I've got this little 1K pot. Turn it down a little bit. Turn it back up. I should really check to see what's going on with the battery. Yeah, so it's charging up the battery. And like Jorge said, John Bedini built a circuit to drain one battery to fill another, which doesn't really make a lot of sense. I know that's typically not how it's supposed to work, but at least this one here, I'm using a power supply to charge up what was a low battery. It was on like 11 volts. And you can see it's slowly climbing up. It was 1229, now it's 1230. And I did notice that when I was hooking my my meter up, that I did get some back spike lighting. So maybe it's because I have it hooked up to the battery. But if I take it off, yes, oh, there it goes. Yeah, all right. So it only lights up. I forgot, it only lights up when you get a bad spike. I mean, when you get a back EMF and there's no place for it to go. All right, thank God. I am thrilled to death. Now I can start building a bunch of these and I can set it up a little bit better. Ciao.